What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So, want to do a little overview of the next few months, what's going to go on in the channel, some updates come in for you guys. So stay tuned and let's check it out, guys. So I am out on my back patio. It's a nice day here in Fort Worth. And I just want to do a little update video for you guys on what the plans are for the next few months. So basically summer. I had mentioned over spring break we were going to do an Arkansas trip, but that got kind of postponed. Some other plans came up, but that is definitely happening this summer. Haven't laid out a date yet, but just stay tuned for video sometime this summer. That will be one of the highlights of the summer. Another trip that's a possibility we haven't lined out, maybe an Arizona trip or a Virginia trip to see our grandparents. Not really sure on which one yet, but that will probably be coming. Hopefully get some nice off-road action shots for you guys. I always like going to new places and checking new stuff out, so hopefully that'll be coming this summer. You know, plans always change, but it is on the list, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so we got a major thing coming to the channel. Super excited about this. I've been researching them for a little while now. But we have got drone content coming soon. So probably in the next month, I've been researching the heck out of these drones. Was originally looking at the Mini 2 and decided, it didn't have some of the features I wanted, like tracking and obstacle avoidance. So then we started looking at the Air 2, and I kind of set on that. And then all of a sudden, I get a notification the other day about the Air 2S coming out, and I was like, oh man, I got to check this thing out. So if you are you into drones at all and you haven't checked this thing out, you got to go look at the specs on this thing. It's crazy. You got the 1-inch sensor. They've implemented some other features in this thing. But coming from a photography background, if some of you didn't know, I have a degree in photojournalism. So photography's been in my background for a while now. And when I look at cameras, I'm always looking at specs on them and, what's going to fit best for my needs. And I really think this thing is gonna really up the content level on the channel. So if you are not already subscribed, make sure to hit that button and turn the bell on to be notified, because in the next month we're gonna get some awesome shots, share with you guys. This thing will track me while I drive, so super excited about that. Just all around gonna be a really good tool to add to the collection of cameras. So that's coming. The last thing, I want to hear from you guys what videos you want to see. I did have another user mention, hey, I want to see how you fit the 295/70s on there. So probably going to do a video about that. Go over the pinch weld mod, what I'd use to cut the bumper, stuff I get asked a lot. So we're going to go over that in a video coming up soon. It is crazy, trying to get content in and working, a ton of hours, got projects around the house, but I am getting new content coming. We will see you guys next time.